Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Norwegian cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Norwegian Sun. This particular category is a balcony cabin. It's one of the most prevalent here on board. I'm going to take you through all the space here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you do it right on HarTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now let's tour the space. When you walk in the door, you've got your light controls to one side, and just across you're going to find your closet. Now you've got quite a bit of hanging storage all the way across here. Those bars will pull down for more hanging storage. You've got shelves up above, down below, and then I love that they have these baskets, a really nice touch. You've got a mirror that you can utilize to get ready. And then as we continue along, you have more space here. You're gonna have several different shelves. And then right up above, you're gonna find your safe. Perfect size for a passport, wallet, or a tablet. You have a couple more shelves here and on the corner. Directly across, you're gonna find the bathroom. You got the temperature control there as we head on in. And as we step in here, you've got a bit of space here on the vanity, storage up and down on either side. You're gonna have a plug for a razor there and the toilet tucked just behind. Now, it is not a huge shower. I'm a pretty big guy. I'm 6'6". I actually can fit in here. You've got the adjustable shower wand up and down, nook for amenities, and then you've got the clothesline that pulls across. They do have a shower curtain. I wish it was a shower door, but you can kind of shower with this open or closed, depending on how you like. Now, as we head further in, you've got a nice large bed here. It can separate into two twins if that's your preference. In that case, the nightstand would move to the middle to give a little bit more separation. You've got plenty of space underneath for storage, and on either side, the reading lamps have a built-in USB charger, so you can utilize that to charge your devices. Now, as we continue through the space, you've got a nice large sofa here. In this case, this can fold out into additional berths, so you can have more than 2 passengers staying in the room. And directly across, you're gonna find your flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television, and you can angle it at the couch, or you can turn it to angle at the bed. You've got your vanity here where you can sit and get ready. Nice large mirror with 2 lights up above. You're gonna find you have a European plug and a US plug. Now always bring those extra European adapters and converters to use all the plugs in the space. You've got drawers for storage here. You're also gonna have a mini fridge just underneath and storage with the shelves. And just back here, you'll have a bit more storage as well. Now this is a balcony cabin. The reason people choose this is for that extra outdoor space. Let's head on out and check it out. So now we're out on your private balcony. It's a pretty good size for a cruise ship. You're gonna have 2 chairs and a table. It's that perfect place to take advantage of a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or taking advantage of the room service menu. But you can get out here, have some beautiful fresh air, and check out the ever-changing scenery. That's what cruising is all about, all the incredible destinations that this ship visits. When you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Norwegian, Regent, or Oceania, make sure you do it right on HarTravel.com or reach out to your HarTravel advisor. We know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way.